Yo, how's it going? I'm back. Oh, fuck my tongue. Wondering why I have a robe on? I just got done fucking. No, I just got showered. And you're probably gonna ask why I have my beanie on. Well, it's just a way for me to dry my hair. Fuck. My tongue's been fucking. My tongue. There's a fucking blister in my tongue. Hold on. Not sure if you guys can see, but. Yeah. So it's kind of hard for me to speak. Might have bitten on it or something like that, or it could have been that fucking hamburger that I ate that caused this. Probably gonna need it checked up. Or maybe I got fucking syphilis or some shit. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Or could it be, or it would be prior to me being sick for the last 2 days. I shouldn't have ate that super hot sandwich. None of this would have ever happened. Or maybe it's because of my drinking. I don't know. I have no idea. So, I'm planning to watch a movie over here. I'm on Amazon. I've seen almost all the movies, so it's like. Oh no. Snatch. That's a great ass movie. Didn't really care for that one. The Addams Family. Do 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 do. I loved that movie when I was a child. Oh, how high. Ooh. I want to watch this movie. God damn. It's the best movie, like, ever. How high? Best movie I've ever seen is this movie. How fucking high? How fucking high are you? I don't know. High enough to suck your dick? No. But I would like it. I'm not high, guys. What's the point of me making this video? I have no idea. Goddamn. Wishmaster. Fuck yeah. Wishmaster? Yeah. Alright, I gotta watch a movie, guys.